Okay, I thought I'd show you how to fan the glass using the two-handed method. As you can see, just scrub the top first, and then your squeegee follows the scrub, and at the bottom you just get the water off like that on the scrubber. Scrub, start squeegeeing, and the squeegee follows the scrub, as you can see, and at the bottom you just get the water off, and you do it like that. Two-handed method works well with this way, and also using it on a little bit bigger glass, same thing, two-handed method, fanning at the same time. It's just a matter of practice, and you'll be doing it probably quicker than what I can. I'm just taking it easy just to show you how it's actually done. But anyway, I think that's about it, and yeah.